Alright, papasukin naman natin guys yung ating 130 square meters penthouse unit here in Casara. As you go all the way, ayan on the left side, makikita agad natin ang ating kitchen. Ayan, bali dalawa yung countertop natin, made up of granite, again with the upper and lower cabinets. Ayan, may provision na rin for your refrigerator. And on the left side, meron na rin ditong provision for your laundry area, no? And this one is your powder room. Ayan, together with sink, toilet, and the shower area. Next, ayan, on your right side, makikita nyo na po agad yung inyong stairs going to our second floor. As you can see here, ayan, may mga provision na po ng mga outlets for your future appliances. And our left side, ayan, dito na agad bubungad yung ating first room na may sariling balcony. Ayan, sariling balcony. There you go. By the way guys, we are currently here in at the 34th floor. Here in Tower 2. Ayan. So let's proceed. Here's a living area. Ayan. And akit po tayo sa ating bedrooms. Ayan. This one, the third bed, and this is your master's bedroom. The toilet and bath. Ayan, a storage room. And another toilet and bath.